Welcome to Modscape and Modbotics. We use advanced manufacturing to make all the components we need to make a volumetric timber module. Recently we've been working with sink bathroom pods on a number of projects throughout Australia. Today we're going to show you how those technologies come together.
Welcome to Sink Industries. For over a decade and 30,000 bathroom pods, we've been manufacturing change in the construction industry.
With nearly 2 decades of operation and over 600 projects delivered, we've learnt that a design-led approach combined with systemised manufacturing processes enables us to create a product that's cost efficient, high quality and sustainable.
We then build the bathroom pod virtually in our 3D model, ensuring compliance, durability, best practice and quality outcomes are designed in. At the same time, we design waste out. From there, our 3D model will spit out files to our machines out on our factory floor.
Every module consists of 11 manufactured components. It's made up of a manufactured floor cassette, the bathroom pod, and then the wall and roof cassettes. We assemble each module in approximately 2 hours, and currently we're assembling 4 modules a day. We have the capacity to do 8 modules per day.
We manufacture change.
That's better by design.